So when we see in acupressure, we studied about different meridians and acupoints. So it is related to that. And when it comes to reflexology, we have studied that it is divided in different reflex zones, which contains certain amount of which contain reflex areas located on the hand and feet. So it is two are entirely different. Okay, so knowledge of acupuncture is very much required when we practice acupressure, in order to have knowledge of meridians and acupoints. That is why knowledge of acupuncture is required, because same acupoints are related to acupuncture, and both are form of what? Traditional Chinese medicine. And in reflexology, knowledge of reflex point is must, of palm and feet is required for practice. As I gave you the example, that क्या होता है, generally practitioners don't have idea that what organs are located where. So they just give certain amount of pressure in order to give relaxation, but they don't have the proper knowledge for the same. But reflexology हमें सिर्फ relaxation के लिए नहीं देना, हमें proper as a mode of modality of treatment देना है, right? So for that particular thing, we need to have proper knowledge of different reflex points and the organs located in our palm and feet. Next, we'll see the therapeutic effects of it, that how it is related, how it is therapeutically related, and how it is therapeutically benefited to us. It is a great intervention to reduce pain. It stimulates the nervous function. It stimulates and increases the energy. It increases the blood and lymph circulation. It eliminates toxins. It induces deep state of relaxation. Next, what are the indications in which conditions we can give reflexology and acupressure both? So in sinusitis condition, our different sinuses are located in our finger areas. You can see in the toes basically. Migraine or tension headache, multiple sclerosis, diabetes mellitus type 2, anxiety, insomnia, reduces fatigue and invigorates the body, as means fatigue को reduce करके body को energize करता है. Helpful in premenstrual syndrome. Generally क्या होता है women's में, when we see, they get very much hormonal changes when it comes to menstruation, right? तो premenstrual syndrome उनको generally आते हैं, मतलब होता है, उसमें मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं, दे get very irritated easily. So it is very helpful in that, in order to calm them down. Now, what are the precautions and contraindications of acupressure? So you see, as we discussed in the previous lecture, also in this lecture also, in pregnancy, avoid specific points on the abdomen, lower back, and ankle legs. These can induce contractions. Chronic conditions may people with arthritis, heart disease, or cancer should seek medical advice before beginning the treatment. Right? They should consult to their doctor first. They should seek some expert advice first in order to begin their treatment. Different blood disorders, generally blood cancer जैसे ल्यूकेमिया के केस में हो गया. Caution is advised for those with low platelet counts, clotting disorders, or those taking anticoagulant medication. Technique, जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था, I have shared the video with the coordinator. She will circulate among all of you. Technique: use gentle pressure initially, increasing only based on comfort. Stop if you experience dizziness, pain, or discomfort. See, जैसे हमने प्रेशर के अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ा था, हमें ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर नहीं अप्लाई करना है, बिकॉज वो डिस्कम्फर्ट में लीड कर देगा, पेन में लीड कर देगा. वी हैव टू गिव सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड इवेंचुअली वी हैव टू रिपीट द सेम. ठीक है. लोकेशन: डू नॉट अप्लाई प्रेशर डायरेक्टली ओवर द कैरोटिड आर्टरी इन द नेक. क्या होता है, ये प्रेशर अप्लाई करने से एकदम सडन प्रेशर होता है, हो सकता है कि सडन डेथ में भी रिजल्ट कर दे. जनरली आप देखते होगे किसी को बेहोश करना होता तो ये वाला एरिया, कैरोटिड आर्टरी, बहुत जोर से प्रेस कर देता है. उसका रीजन यहाँ पे बहुत फ्रेजाइल होती है, और उसको जल्दी से प्रेशर देने से उसको बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम आ सकते हैं. What are the contraindications? Skin damage, जैसे open wounds है ना, या फिर infections है, rashes है, burns है, we have to avoid in these particular cases. Vascular issues, that is avoid in varicose vein. A certain amount of tumors, that is cancers में avoid करना है. Acute kind of illness में avoid करना है, जैसे treatment during high fever, acute infection. Fragile areas में avoid करना है. Do not press on recent scars, fractures, or the areas with sensory loss. So thank you. So this was all about the lecture. I'll be circulating a video of reflexology, that how the reflexology tool is given in that, how in reflex areas, in order to improve that particular reflex area, and to how it is given, कैसे कैसे massage points जो हमने पढ़े, massage कैसे दी जाती है, how you we use that particular tool in different areas of our souls. So पूरा उस video में that it is clear, very clearly, right? So I'll circulate it with your coordinator and she'll circulate it among all of you. So thank you everyone.